In this video we're going to show you how to remove a cracked glass touchscreen from the frame on our HTC Incredible Droid. We have already removed this touchscreen and frame from the phone. To find out how to do this, check the HTC Incredible Droid Take Apart Repair Guide at universe.com website. Using a hot hairdryer or heat gun, warm the adhesive along the edges of the frame. Once the glue is warmed, use a safe open pry tool available on the Repairs Universe website to get between the glass and the frame and start easing off the glass. Start at the side or the top and ease your way around the whole of the frame. You can also push from behind to make this easier. If you are having trouble with a certain section, use the hairdryer or heat gun again to once again warm the adhesive. Continue to pry the glass away from the frame. Once you have released the glass, ease out the ribbon cable. You are now ready to install your new glass into the frame. To install the new glass, we recommend using the adhesive strips from the Repairs Universe website. Place these along the bottom of the frame, the sides, and also the top, as being pointed out here now in the video. Once the adhesive is in place, attach the new glass screen.